Did you know the synonyms of this word? Teacher. The synonym of teacher is educator. Then tutor. Then mentor. The synonyms for student is pupil, learner, trainee. Train plus EE, trainee. The synonyms for idea is concept, C1 concept, CEPT concept, then thought, 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 notion, NOTION, notion. These are the synonyms of the word idea. Then problem. What are the synonyms for problem? Problem, the synonym for problem is issue, ISSUE, issue. Then dilemma, DILEMMA, dilemma. Then obstacle, obstacle. Then the synonyms for the word result is outcome, then effect, conclusion. Now the synonyms for the word criminal is offender, or FFEN, offender, lawbreaker, then felon. Okay. Now would like to learn about the synonyms for tourist. The synonym for tourist is traveler, TRAVELER, traveler. Then sightseer, SIGHT, sightseer. Then visitor, then vacationer, enough. The synonyms for enough is ample, then plenty, then sufficient, SUFFICIENT, sufficient. The synonyms for the word many is several, then multiple, then countless. Now we would like to write the synonyms for the word famous. Famous, the synonym famous is well known. Well known. Here you have to use hyphen. Renowned. RENOWWNED. Renowned. Then notable.